Hello, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I will be exploring the 253-litre Samsung RT28K3722UT Smart Convertible Refrigerator. This refrigerator is a fine work of technology. It's extremely flexible with Samsung's groundbreaking Smart Convertible feature. You can easily convert your freezer into a fridge and create up to 88 litres of extra space. It lets you utilize your entire refrigerator so that you never run out of space, whatever be the occasion. For this, all you have to do is press the freezer fridge convert button for 3 seconds. Let's check out the refrigerator from the inside. Now one look at it and you know it's pretty spacious. This smart convertible refrigerator comes with the world's first dual fan technology that allows independent temperature control of the freezer and the fridge with 2 separate fans. This lets you convert your freezer to a fridge in virtually no time. Another benefit of smart conversion is that while you're using all the space in the fridge mode, you can save up on a whole lot of energy. The power freeze and the power cool feature comes in play when you require faster cooling and freezing. This feature expedites the cooling procedure by up to 31%. It allows you to have ice cubes and cool beverages in practically no time. You can simply twist the ice maker and enjoy more ice cubes in a very short period of time. This refrigerator comes with the digital inverter technology. It automatically manages the compressor speed in response to the cooling demand across 7 different levels. This in turn makes sure that energy consumption always stays at minimum. For smooth functioning, this technology reduces noise and makes your refrigerator more durable. Now, power cuts are pretty common in India. You need a refrigerator that tackles them effectively. This refrigerator is enabled to work even when there's a power cut in your house thanks to its Smart Connect inverter feature. Now, gone are the days when your home inverter could only light a bulb or spin a fan. Now it can power this refrigerator as well. This also lives true to its word. It can easily operate in high voltage fluctuations, eliminating the need for a separate stabilizer. Samsung has made sure that this refrigerator is smart on the hardware level too. It has a twist ice maker, a big bottle guard, and toughened glass shelves which can hold up to 150 kgs of weight. This machine also has an LED lighting on the inside. This LED light is much slimmer than the conventional light and effectively reduces power consumption. Located at the top, it brilliantly illuminates the entire fridge. Samsung has put quite a lot of effort to make this refrigerator look premium. It comes with a stylish recessed handle and a sleek digital display panel. The digital display has an array of controls at your fingertips like temperature adjustment, power cool and more. Samsung has also got you covered for any future contingencies. This fridge comes with a 10-year warranty that gives you true peace of mind. So viewers, my final thoughts on the 253-litre Samsung RT28K3722UT convertible refrigerator are truly positive. This sophisticated pebble blue colored machine is convertible, spacious and smart. The digital inverter feature makes this fridge the ultimate power saver. Features like power cool and power freeze have made this fridge a brilliant choice. The stabilizer-free operation turns this fridge into a standalone hero, and Samsung's 10-year warranty is really the cherry on top. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We assure quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all the products and an assured brand warranty. Have a perfect buy.